guys, I'm Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop FlossTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can use a technique called railroading in this beginner cross stitch series. Railroading your stitches will really help you have nice flat stitches. So if you're using 2 strands, you will put your needle, split the stitches, so put your needle right in between the stitches, and you're going to go back down and keep stitching. It helps to keep it really nice and flat. So again, you split your stitches, you put your needle through the stitches close to the end and finish your stitch. Railroading your stitches is great to do for lighter colors, since lighter colors are the hardest to get pretty. It takes a tiny bit more time, but once you get it down, it's really easy. You kind of just have to get in a rhythm. And if you wanted to you could just do it just like this. If you wanted, you don't have to go all the way back down. So I am doing this with 2 strands because you have an even number of strands. I haven't tried this on more than 2 strands. So now I've done 1 row, and what I would traditionally do is just use all the way until I'm low on thread. But for here, I'm just going to show you how you can finish off. You just put your needle through about 4 to 5 stitches. Just really gentle. And you just pull it through gently. Don't pull too hard, because you don't want to pull that thread too hard. You look at the front and make sure it looks nice and taut, but not too taut. And you will cut right at the end, and you have a nice pretty back.